Hi, this is Dr. Anthony F. Swire, your research coach. I'm here with another informative video today about Citation Machine. Citation Machine is a software that is used by researchers to create citations, and it makes your work very easy. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Well, the first thing you do here is to go to Google or your browser you want to use and click on and type in citationmachine.net, citationmachine.net. And if you don't have this an account, you have to create one. Okay, so I have an account, so I'm going to sign in right here. And we're going to, okay, so I have here and my email address. So I have that, and then I'll put in my password. Okay, and sign in. So while we wait for us to get to the main screen, if you haven't checked out this, you need to. All right, so right here, it brings you to this screen. You have my citation list. You have also, if you want to sign up for the premier version of this. And then we also have here, if you click here, you see plagiarizing and grammar. So you can just go around, click around, and you will see some of the important features of this software. So let's go right here. I have been using this software, and if I click here, it brings me into my citation list. So you can see everything that I've cited on this particular date. It's going to give you the citations listing by date. Okay, so right now you also have APA 7 here. If you click this drop down arrow, there we go. You will have other whether it's MLA, APA 6, I mean, whatever citation you want to create. But for now, we are using APA 7. So what we need to do is, if you want to create a citation, you have to click here, create citation. But before we do that, I want to also let you know that you can also copy all and just paste into Microsoft Word. And you can also export to Microsoft Word. So these are very important features of Citation Machine. So let's start right here. Create citation. So when you click on create citation, because we have APA citation generator, choose your source. So what do you want to cite? Is it a website, a book, or a journal article? So, and then they also have more here: newspaper, film, online video, online database. You can just scroll down and you will see a lot of TV, radio, scholarly project, review, and you just name it. So you can log into the software and just play around with it and see what it offers for you. Okay, so let's go to website here. If we click on website and you want to cite, the first thing you need to do is to be able to get the link from the website. So I do have a website open here. I have diabetes basics from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and I'm going to go right here, click this, and go right back to Citation Machine, and then I can just paste that right here. When you paste and click search, so what do you see? It says one result found. Now you want to cite this source, you can just go right here and click on that. It's going to give you the URL, the article title, the website title, the date it was accessed. Today is May 16th. And then you can have publish. So what you do is just click continue. And there's one thing I want you to know. Sometimes when you cite, it won't give you all the information, especially for websites. And you will have to do a little bit of tweaking to be able to get the right citation you're looking for. So let's just click this, click complete citation. Now, what do we have? Okay, so we have a sort by button here, or arrow. So you see, I want to do most recent so that whatever I cite, it can come to the top of the page. So here we have Center for Disease Control and Prevention. It shows no date, okay? And it gives you the link right there. Now, if we do in-text citation, it tells us nothing here. So you see, so what we need to do is to go back, look at the article to get some information from there. All right, we see January 10th, 2024 up here. So that's the date. Okay, let's go right back in January 10th, 2024, and we want to edit this citation right here. So we'll come in here and we put electronically publish. We want to do January 10th, 2024. So we'll say January 2024. Okay. And also we want to, if you look here, you want to see that on our contributors, you want to put in CDC. So you have to go in right here and put in CDC so you can be able to get the actual in-text citation. Because if you don't do that, you will only have the year showing, and that is incorrect. So we want to update the citation list right now. So you update that, and then you can see that we have CDC here, January 10th, 2024. Okay, if you go to in-text citation, now you'll see CDC 2024, it shows up right here. You can copy that and put it in Microsoft Word. Put it in Microsoft Word right here, CDC 2024. So you can be able to move it to Microsoft Word in your paper. I'm just showing you Microsoft Word, how you can copy and paste to give you, it's just an example. So let's go back here and copy the citation, and then we can come back to Microsoft Word and click here, and you see we have it there. So you have that, and then you can do a double space, and you have your citation here from CDC from the website. So that's how you do it for website. The next thing you do, you go back in again and click on, the next thing you do, you go back in and click on create citation, and then go to book. Now, if you want to cite a book, you can just put in the title of the book. I have qualitative inquiry and research, 4th edition by Creswell. Creswell right here, and click search. So once you put that in, you're going to have different posts coming up. You have 2013, you have 2025. So let's say we want to cite this one. You can click right here, and you have that information. And you see you have all the information that you need. And this is where we are. So you can copy the citation here and click this and paste it right here. And you can do double space right there. So also, if you want to go back and do the in-text citation, it's going to do this. It's going to give you Creswell and Puff 2025, and you can just go right back to Microsoft in your paper, and you can paste that. So that's how you go about doing that. So now let's go to the journal side of it. We want to do a journal article. So right here, we go to this article that I have pulled, National Library of Medicine. And the first thing you want to get from here would be your DOI. So you pick up this DOI, you copy it, and go back to Citation Machine, click Journal, and paste your DOI right there, and click Search. Once you click Search, you have pathophysiology of diabetes and overview. You click Cite and click Continue. So once you click Continue, it's here, you have the information here. If there's any other thing that is missing, it's going to let you know. So let's go here and click. So you see we already have the citation here. So let's copy that one and go to Microsoft Word again and paste. So you have that there. You can also come back and get your in-text citation from there, copy, and it's going to give you everything you need right there. So look at that, in-text citation. So you see, so this is how you create citations in, with Citation Machine. It is a very interesting, and software is good. It's going to make your work very easy, your research work very easy. So you want to give it a try. And they also have a premium version. You can get it. It's not expensive at all. So another thing I want to do before we leave, okay, before I conclude this video, you can click here or export. If you want to export, you go right down here, click on Microsoft Word, and it's going to export for you. So it's going to export all your references. It's going to open right up here, and then you click right here. It's going to open up, and then you got the references right here, and you can just open it up. Okay, you can also copy and go to Microsoft Word. And if you want to paste, you can just paste everything here. If it is not in order, you can highlight everything like this and go to sort and do ascending order. And then it starts from the beginning. So let's see here, we have that. Let's see what we have here. I want to remove that. Highlight this again. Okay. So we have that. We are having, see. Okay, so now we can go right back and do that again. And then let's do this. Okay, so sometimes you have something like that starts with a name, S, will start with a letter S. It's going to come way up. And then after doing it, it's going to give you some problem because it's not one where you have to go back and rearrange them. And then you find everything in the order you want them. So this is a Citation Machine. This is how it works. It's a very good software, and you want to, if you are doing a research, you can test this software out, and if something that you like, you can use that. It's going to help to make your research work very easy. Thank you once again. I am Dr. Anthony F. Suare, and look out for another informative video. Thank you.